Hello guys, ito na yung replacement ni seller guys kasi meron tayong ni-return na iPhone 6s 64GB kasi yung Apple ID kasi niya guys is hindi namin ma-delete, hindi namin ma-access, so naka-activation lock siya. So kapag hindi natin siya magamit kasi hindi alam ng seller yung password ng Apple ID, it means hindi tayo makaka-download ng apps. So, ang ginawa namin guys is ni-return namin yun kay seller at saka dito na guys, dumating na yung replacement niya. So, sabi ni seller guys, usually sa mga iPhone 6s niya is yun yung problema, yung Apple ID. So, hindi sila nakahingi sa mga first owner ng phone na kanilang Apple password. So, yun yung problema. So, instead na iPhone 6s din yung i-return niya or i-replace at saka 64GB din. So, yung ni-replace ni guys is iPhone 6 na 64GB. And then, meron pang discrepancy. I mean, meron pang shortage kasi mas mura kasi ito. So, sabi ng seller, he will just send the yung kulang na amount. So, he will send the amount through GCash. So, let's try to find out kung isi-send ba talaga ni seller. And then, when I try to turn on the phone, guys, the phone is low bat. So, charge muna natin. Hello guys, beatthetrends here. Today, I'll be featuring the iPhone 6 64GB. This is a replacement of the iPhone that we returned to the seller because the iPhone Apple ID is not working. We couldn't fix it. So, the seller tried to send a new phone, and instead of sending iPhone 6s 64GB, he said he had the same problem with those other iPhone 6s that he have. So he sent me this one, the iPhone 6 64GB instead of 6s. Alright, so let's try to figure out the specs of this phone. So let's try to open this one. Okay, I'm just gonna place it on the table because it's hard to do at the same time featuring the phone and holding my other phone to capture a video of this one. Okay, so let's try to check out the general. In the settings, let's go to the about, and this is iPhone. As you can see, the software version is 12.5.5. So this is the latest software version of iPhone 6, and the model number you can see right here, it's LL-A. So it means the iPhone is made from the US. And then the capacity of this phone is 64GB, and because it has apps installed already, so the available slot is just 56.68GB. Okay, so let's proceed now to the battery percentage. So usually iPhone products, their battery is really, draining, and usually the problem with iPhone is that it easily battery health is reduced. So this one, as you can see, the battery health is 100%. And okay, so upon checking this one, I made already my own passcode, and I already made my own Apple ID of this phone. So I'll just click cancel, but I know the passcode because I'm the one making it. Okay, but this phone, I'll give it to my sister. So she'll be the one to have the Touch ID. So she could use this phone by herself. Okay, now let's try to figure out the camera of this phone. Okay, so let's try to click the camera. And there, you can see that it's very clear. See? You can clearly see the picture on the table. But as you can see, my phone has a dull color of the cover of the table, but when you'll use iPhone, you can see that the color are bright. And if we compare it to my other phone, which is Samsung, the Samsung gives a good color, but iPhone make it better. Okay, let's try to look at outside. So that's it. As you can see, the phone gives a good quality of picture. Right there. Right there on the floor. You can see clearly how clear the iPhone is. And I don't want to talk a lot more because I'm still on work and this is just my break time. It's already 12 noon. So that's all for today. I hope this finds you well. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll be featuring again updates on the 5 iPhone 6 that I bought from this seller. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and wait after this short break. Hello guys, beatthetrends here. Today, pag-uusapan natin itong iPhone 6 na first kong nabili sa ating Shoppee seller. So, dahil sa request ng lahat na updates, ito na yung hinihintay nyo guys. So, I'm still waiting for the other phone. So, ayan, ito na guys. Wait for a while. Okay guys, so ito na guys yung updates natin. Nag-a-update lang ako kung kumusta na yung phone na first kong nabili sa ating Shoppee seller. So ito guys, this is just the tempered glass. So yung tempered glass is nag-crack. So pwede rin lang itong palitan. Okay, so let's try to check kung okay pa ba yung phone. Let's open the battery health. Yan. And then, battery health nito guys, maximum is 100%. Tapos, dito sa isa, hanapin natin si general. Tapos, hanapin natin si battery. Yan. Tapos, battery health is 100% pa rin guys. Okay, so ngayon, okay pa rin siya guys, so far. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga apps na na-download nila. So, they have TikTok. Itong isang phone guys, isa mama ko. Ito naman isa papa ko. So, they have TikTok. They have YouTube. Yan. They have YouTube. Tapos, yan. So, yan guys. Okay, they have YouTube and TikTok. Yan. Di ko na open guys ha. Tapos, try natin open si TikTok kung magfa-function ba talaga siya, guys. So, pasensya na hindi ko na siya nilinisan, guys. Yan. So, yan. Okay pa rin yung TikTok, guys, diba? Not connected on internet. So, wag na lang tayo mag-open ito, guys. Hindi ko siya kinonect sa internet. Or, baka hindi nag-turn on ang internet si Papa. Yan. Let's try to recheck. Yan. So, ito, stop na natin to guys. And then, let's try to open Facebook. So, dito guys, check natin yung internet niya. Bakit hindi siya connected? Yan. So, connected pala siya ng internet. Baka low lang yung signal. So, try natin open si TikTok. Yan. Ay, wala pala siyang account guys, kaya hindi siya nakaka-open ng TikTok. Sorry, hindi ko ginawan. Yan yung Facebook nila guys. So, na-install pa rin si Facebook. Yan. And, natatouch ko din yung button guys ha. Yan, natatouch ko yung button. Meron din siyang assistive touch. Yan. Yan, ginagamit din yan. Ito. Yan. Pero pwede rin hindi gamitin. Pwedeng automatic dito na lang sa home button. Yan. And then, let's try the camera kung okay pa rin ba. So, let's try this one first. Yan. So, pasensya na kasi medyo marumi. So, atin munang linisan for a while. Okay guys, so pinalinisan ko guys kasi ang dumi ng screen. Yan, so ito yung kuha. Pasensya na, meron kasi akong ginagamit na light. Yan, kung i-off ko yung light guys, ito yung kuha niya. Yan. So yan yung kuha ng phone guys. Clear pa rin siya. Yan. Very clear. Yan. So, very clear pa rin siya, guys. Walang problema. Yan. And I am also trying to blur kasi yung guys, nito, yung screen ng ating laptop kasi yung brightness kasi niya, guys, ang nagko-cause ng blurredness. Yan. So, klaro pa rin guys. Yan. Mas clear yung camera ng iPhone. Yan. So, ito yung sa mama ko guys ha. Yan. So, try natin itong isa guys. Yan. Yung camera niya guys. Yan. Tapos yung hindi niya clearly makukuha kasi yung brightness kasi guys eh. Yan. Okay. So, ito lang yung update ko guys. That's it. Kasi yung camera and battery naman din yung pinaka-important. At saka, soft touch pa rin siya. Yan. Okay guys, so ito namang dalawa guys, ito yung binigay ko sa aking dalawang sister. Yung isang phone guys is nasa isa kong brother. So ito lang yung available ngayon guys. Yan. So as you can see, maganda pa rin. And let's try now to check yung settings. So try natin yung battery health nila guys. Kung kumusta or nag-iba na ba siya ng percentage. Yan. So ito guys, this is still 100%. Tapos dito sa isa, let's check. Yan. So this is still okay, 99%. So tingnan natin guys yung phone. Yan. So dapat kasi sa phone guys, i-charge nyo siya kapag low bat na talaga siya. Huwag nyo i-charge na hindi pa siya low bat kasi nakakasira ng maximum capacity. Yan. So, back natin guys. And let's try to check kung ano yung mga apps na na-download nila. Yan. So, ito guys, assistive touch. Pwede pa rin matouch itong home button guys. So, try natin kung anong mga apps na na-download nila. They have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Same din. Meron pa siyang Shoppee guys. Yan. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And then, kung mag-download kayo ng Twitter, so yung Twitter guys is need niya is yung iOS mo is dapat version 13 and up. So ang iOS version po ng ating iPhone 6 guys, let's try to check kung ano pa yung software update ng ating iOS. Yan. So ang ating iPhone is mali yung napindot ko guys. Yan. So, let's try to check yung software update. Yan. So, ito ay iOS 12.5.5. So, yan po yung iOS version ng iPhone 6. So, kung need niyo yung Twitter, hindi siya mag-fit sa ating iPhone 6 kasi need niya iOS 13. Okay, now let's try. Yan. So, ginamit ko yung guys, home button. So, just to let you know na nagpa-function pa rin siya. So, let's try to check guys yung TikTok account nila kung nagpa-function ba rin ba. Yan. Yan na guys. Yan. So, as you could see, nagpa-function guys. Yan. So, nag-play. Yan. So, kayo guys, please follow naman guys ng mga sisters ko guys. Yan. Please pa-follow sa mga supporter ng aking video. Please pa-follow as a form of thanks na lang guys sa inyong ay nako, hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin ko guys yung means of Thanksgiving na lang guys, pa-follow. Yan. So, yan. Yan. And then, meron din tayong Facebook. Check natin kung nagpa-function ba yung Facebook. Yan. So, nagpa-function yung Facebook guys. Yan, no? Okay. Yan. So, I know the most exciting part na gusto nyong malaman is yun talagang, ano guys, camera. So, now let's try to check kung okay ba yung camera ng phone. So, let's start in this one. Tapos, on na natin yung camera dito. Yan. 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 So, yan yung camera ng iPhone, guys. Wala pa naman siyang bad na mga lines katulad ng ibang nag-review. It's still good quality. So, check natin yung isang phone. Yan. Check natin ito. Yan, guys. So, it's very clear pa rin, guys. Yan, as you could see, ang linis, diba guys? So, I guess that's all guys. So, meron na akong nagawang update sa phones. Pasensya, masyadong mabilisan lang to guys kasi it's already night. See you! Bye!